Hello everyone. What we have learned in our previous video lecture, we have learned that the author of the lesson, he was living in West Bengal. His father was a medical professional working in West Bengal. There was a Durga Puja vacation. The author told us the incident which was happened during this vacation. One afternoon, the author was reading some comic books or story books, and rest of his family members, they were taking a rest. At the same time, the author heard some sound outside from his house. At first he ignored that sound, but after some time the sound was increased. The sound becomes louder, and author could not stop himself, and he rushed to veranda. Due to the eagerness, he rushed to the veranda and see what was happening there. Now we are going to see what was happened after that. I glanced toward the roof of the clubhouse and saw something horrible. The author glance means look at the roof of the clubhouse, and he saw there was something which was very horrible. What was there? A big male langur. Apparently, the leader of its group was holding a baby langur in his hand and mercilessly biting it all over with a definite intent to kill. There was a big male langur. Big male langur, apparently the leader of its group. Apparently, he was a leader of its group. What was he doing? He was holding a he was holding a baby langur in his hand mercilessly. Mercilessly means without any mercy, without any pity. He was biting it all over, and his intention was very clear. He wanted to kill that baby. Then the helpless mother of the baby and the other lesser members of the langur group were scattered on the roofs of the buildings nearby watching the baby being killed. What was happened after that? The helpless mother was there. She was just sitting, and other lesser members also there, but they were just scattered on the roofs and watching the baby being killed. They both couldn't do anything because they were lesser type of member. They didn't have any power. That's why they just watching. I recall the terrible custom in the animal clan according to which a dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within its group. I recall the terrible custom in the animal clan. The author recall or the author remember the terrible custom in the animal clan, according to which a dominant male usually does not allow another male baby or adult to survive within its group. In Marathi we say, आपण असं म्हणू शकतो की मानवांच्या प्राण्यांमध्ये एक अशी भयंकर प्रथा आहे जी लेखकाला आठवली. या प्रथेनुसार त्या प्राण्यांमधला जो सर्वात शक्तिशाली नर प्राणी असतो, तो त्याच्या जमातीतील इतर नव्याने जन्माला येणाऱ्या नर प्राण्याला अथवा इतर कुठल्याही नर प्राण्याला त्याच्या ग्रुपमध्ये किंवा त्याच्या समूहामध्ये तो मोठं होऊ देत नाही, त्याला जगू देत नाही, जेणेकरून त्याचा दर्जा कोणी हिसकावून घेऊ शकत नाही, त्याचा प्रमुख पद जेणेकरून कोणीही घेऊ शकत नाही, असा त्यामागचा हेतू असतो. ही प्रथा, अशी भयंकर प्रथा लेखकाला आठवली. What will he do then? Without losing any time, I gathered a stout stick in one hand and hurled a piece of stone at the marauding langur. The langur was so infuriated that it hardly took any notice of my assault. But then I started throwing more stones. The dogs on their part raised their pitch of cry. what did author do then? Without losing any time, means without wasting any time, without losing any moment, he gathered a stout stick. He gathered a stout stick in one hand. He took a stout means heavy stick in one hand and hurled a piece of stone. Hurl means throwing very forcefully a piece of stone toward the marauding langur. Marauding means so searching to something to attack. A langur which is searching to something or attack. म्हणजे हल्ला करण्याच्या इराद्याने बाहेर पडलेलं ते वानर होतं. The langur was so infuriated. And that langur was so infuriated. So infuriated means so angry. He was so angry that it hardly took any notice of my assault. Means it hardly took any notice of the attack of author. But then I started throwing more stones. The dogs on their part raised their pitch of cry. What happened after that? The author started throwing more stones toward that marauding langur. There were few dogs also. They raised their pitch of cry, means they were barking loudly, and after that the changed circumstances and the sudden unexpected attack from unknown quarters forced the langur to drop the baby from the sloping roof over the veranda. The baby was displaced and appeared to be dead. As its body started to slide down, the excitement of the pack of dogs grew manifold at the prospect of good kill and meal. The changed circumstances and the sudden unexpected attack from unknown quarters forced the langur to drop the baby. Now the situation was changed. There was a sudden unexpected attack from the author, and after that attack the male langur changed his mind and he decided to drop the baby from the sloping roof over the veranda. The baby was listless. Listless means without any power and appeared to be dead. With appearance, the author and other people thought that it was a dead. As its body started to slide down, the excitement of the pack of dogs grew manifold at the prospect of good kill and meal. At that time, what happened there? The body of the baby langur were sliding down from the roofs, and at the same time there were few dogs. They thought that they will get a good meal after some time. म्हणजे त्या छतावरून ज्या प्राण्याचं त्या बेबी लंगूरचं शरीर खाली घरंगळत येत होतं आणि खाली कुत्र्यांना असं वाटत होतं की आता आपल्याला लवकरच आयती मेजवानी मिळेल, चांगली मेजवानी मिळेल अशी त्यांना खाली आशा लावून ते कुत्रे त्या ठिकाणी उभे होते. Keeping the dogs at the bay with the stick, I managed to catch hold the baby langur's tail just as it tipped over the edge of the tile roof. The baby appeared inert and lifeless. It was indeed a male baby. Keeping the dogs at the bay with the stick, I managed to keep away all those dogs from that baby langur. I managed to catch the hold the baby's langur tail just as it tipped over the edge of the tile roof. The author managed to catch the tail before it fell down from the roof. The baby appeared inert and lifeless. How was the baby appear? It was inert and lifeless. Inert means without any power, without any energy. And lifeless म्हणजे lifeless means nishpran. It was indeed a male baby. As we discussed before some time, the author recalled the custom. Related to this custom, it was indeed a male baby. म्हणजे आपण आताच चर्चा केली त्यानुसार हा जो प्राणी, हा जो मेल बेबी, that baby was a male baby. Okay. By this time, my parents and sisters had come out on the veranda and were witnessing my rescue operation. Some of our neighbors had also gathered in the distance. By the time, in the course of time, my parents and sisters had come out onto the veranda. The author's parents came out from the house. They were witnessing his rescue operation. They were witnessing the rescue operation of author. Some of the neighbors of the author had also gathered in the distance. I took baby Langur and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. His body was full of deep bite, marks and scratch. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. The baby remained motionless. What did he do then? The author took baby Langur and gently laid him on the floor inside the poultry coop. He softly laid that baby on the floor inside the poultry coop. Poultry coop means खुराडा. Poultry coop means we say in Marathi कोंबड्यांसाठीचा खुराडा. And in that poultry coop, the author softly laid that baby on the floor. His body was full of deep bite and marks and scratch. There were full of scratches and deep bite were there on the body of the baby. Blood was oozing from some of the wounds. Blood was oozing from. Oozing from means the blood was coming from, or we can say that the blood was overflowing from some of the wounds. The baby remained motionless. The baby remained motionless means there were no any type of movement there. My father provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. I was relieved to find out that the baby was breathing even though his breath were shallow. My father, the author's fathers, provided first aid to clean the wounds and stop the bleeding. I was relieved. The author was relieved to find out that baby was breathing. I was relieved means the author relieved. He was reassured that himself. He was very happy to find out that the baby was breathing, even though his breath were shallow. जे लेखक सांगताय आपल्याला की मला खूप हायसं वाटलं की जेव्हा मला कळालं की दॅट बेबी वॉज ब्रीदिंग म्हणजे ते वानराचं जे पिल्लू होतं ते श्वास घेत आहे अजून, जरी त्याचा श्वास मंद आहे. इवन हिज ब्रीज वेअर शॅलो, त्याचे श्वास जरी मंद आहे पण ते अजून जिवंत आहे. सो आय वॉज रिलीव्ह. In this way, we have learned that how the author escaped the baby langur from the attack of the male langur. We will stop here. In our next video lecture, we will learn whether the author will save the baby langur or not, whether the baby langur is alive or dead. We will see in our next lecture. Till the time, all of you read the story from ebook and just think of it. Okay, now we are going to conduct the complex factual activity. The first question in the complex factual activity is, what a wicked custom is practiced by animals who live in a group? According to the wicked custom in the animal clan who live in groups, a dominant powerful male does not allow another male or adult to survive within its group. Mostly the leader of the group kills male babies or adults. Question number 2. Why did narrator ignore the barking of dog? Why did narrator ignore the barking of dog? The answer is, the narrator thought the pack of dogs, as usual, must have trapped an unfortunate pig, so he ignored the barking of dogs. The third question is here. Complete the web with the help of information given in the text. We have to complete the web with the help of the information given in the text. What information is given here? The writer saw on the roof that. What did the writer see on the roof? First one, a big male langur was holding a baby langur in his hand. Then he was mercilessly biting it with the intention of killing it. The next one is the helpless mother and all other lesser langurs were scattered on the roof of other buildings. And the last one, they passively were watching the baby being killed. Okay, in this way, we have completed this lesson. Thank you.